Hey, what's up, everybody? Greg Hyatt coming at you here this evening. So, as you can see by the interface here, I am in my Gmail application. I did come across something today while kind of poking through and taking care of some business, cleaning things up that I thought I wanted to show some other people in case you didn't know. Now, this is only available in the desktop application. You cannot do it from a phone or an iPad, but you should be able to do it from a laptop or a desktop, obviously inside the Gmail program. Okay, so now I'm actually in the web version, but nonetheless, if you click on more, if you'll come down and see this label here where it says manage subscriptions, go ahead and click on that. These are all of the subscriptions of emails that load up your inbox. And if you'll notice, of course, they're all listed by titles and different things. So let's say if you had something in here you just absolutely did not want to receive their emails from any longer. So I'm going to use this Imogen. I mean, I know how to use it. I don't really need their emails. So I'm going to go ahead and click on unsubscribe. And again, to confirm it on the big blue button, unsubscribe. And just like that, without having to be redirected to their website or anything else, I have effectively unsubscribed from their email based newsletters. And of course, you can choose whichever ones you want to do, but it is a quick fire way to help you clean up your inbox and make sure you're not getting inundated with a bunch of email newsletters. There you go. Hope I helped somebody out this evening. Thanks for tuning in. You have a great day.